you someone who usually wonders how to deal with the unusual vaginal odor or the irregular white discharge? Although vagina is believed to be self-cleaning, yes, vagina can clean itself and can also fight the bacteria. But if you are facing something other than the usual, then this video is for you. This is me, DEWAN, and you're watching The Health Site. In today's video, I am going to share a list of food items that you can add to your diet in order to maintain your vagina's pH level and to get rid of the unusual foul smell. Basically, the logic is that the food items that will keep your gut healthy will also keep your vagina healthy. What are these food items? Watch this video to find out. Cranberry. Cranberries are full of antioxidants and powerful bacteria fighters. And let's not forget, cranberries are acidic in nature, which can help maintain the pH of your vagina. Lemon. Lemon again is acidic in nature and also rich in vitamin C. This is exactly why it can help maintain the vaginal pH and also help you get rid of the unusual smell. Green leafy vegetables. Not just great for your health, but also helps in decreasing the vaginal dryness. It's full of vitamins and nutrients and thus very beneficial for vaginal muscles and also for purifying blood. Yogurt. Yogurt is great in summers as it contains the lactobacillus bacteria, which is also naturally present in your gut, urinary tract and vagina. This particular bacteria helps restore a healthy yeast balance in the vagina and therefore prevents fungal infections and unusual smell. Water. Water is like a magic potion for all the parts of your body. In this case, the more you drink water, the more hydrated you are, and so is your vaginal tissues. It also helps by eliminating waste from your body effectively. Well, I hope this helps. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Add these food items to your diet and let me know how was your experience. Stay healthy, stay fit.